How to turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can disable or turn off two-factor authentication in your Facebook account. For that, you need to open up your Facebook application and then log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, go to your tab bar icon in the upper right, scroll down a bit, head over to settings and privacy. Once again, click on settings. Now this is going to take you to the settings and privacy page. Right on top you can see Meta Account Center. Under it you can see there's a link as see more in Account Center. Click on it. This is going to direct you to the other interface. Right on this page you need to scroll down a bit and go to password and security, which is under account settings. After that it's going to direct you to the more info page of password and security. Right over here you can see there is two-factor authentication. Click on it. Now select the account and you'll be asked to type in the password for the confirmation of your identification. So type in the password. After that you'll be directed to the two-factor authentication where you can see how you've actually set. So you need to remove either one of it, such as maybe your phone number, maybe your email address. Well, you can actually get an OTP. So you need to toggle the switch. You'll need to log out of your account. Once again, refresh it, and then you've successfully turned off two-factor authentication in Facebook. You might also receive a confirmation through an email or an SMS stating that the two-factor authentication has been removed from your Facebook account. In this way, you can turn off or disable two-factor authentication in Facebook. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.